Bike build-up time. Yeah. Just got all my new bike frames from Canyon. Got a custom paint job on all of them. And damn, they look good. Went with a super dark green to kind of mimic the Dorado fish. I don't know if you guys are into tropical fishing or not, but there's a fish called the Dorado. And that's the color I wanted to go with. Flip-flop paint. So it kind of looks green in the bright and then like black in the dark light. And then some gold trim. And looks badass. Stoked. Alright, let's get this bike build going, shall we? I actually really like this tire. Rolls fast, got a bit of bite for the summertime. Not something I would use in super greasy winter conditions, but for a summertime tire, this thing kicks the butt. And the hard part about this is with these tubeless and your tape, it's really easy to pry too hard and dig into the rim tape. And if you've ever changed tires before, you can realize that it's pretty easy. So I like to use something like this, kind of smooth, round. And then what I actually try to do is I try to put it in just so it's barely on, and then flick it over and not pry all the way, so that I limit the chances. See how I'm not going all the way past 90 and then rolling it off? That's the big difference right there. Because if I push it all the way, then I'm risking, if I push it past this point, then I'm risking going into the rim tape, which is one of the biggest piss offs when you're doing this. gear, like every good downhill racer, stronger position. So that's why it's important to have your levers in the right spot, because see how my fingers are? They're up here like this, they're up here like this. If they're too far down, you're gonna be too far